Yeah. What's good, YouTube? We finna. Hey, I'm gonna leave all that in there. But nah, we finna do a exhaust comparison video, bro. We got my boy Mike with the SRT Jeep, scat and scat. He catless straight pipe. We got a mid muffler delete, and we got a catless mid, a catless mid scat. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see the difference. We're gonna do crank up, and then a few revs, and then some flyby. But first, we're gonna do the crank up. I guess I'll go first. I'm going first. I'm gonna go first then. Yeah. We're gonna see what that bitch talking about. Alright, that was mine. Now you go next. Mr. Me and Muffler Delete. Alright, now we're gonna do Mike. Mr. This bitch so loud, I'm scared. Damn! Loud. Alright, that bit loud as hell. But yeah, y'all see what, y'all comment down below which one y'all think the loudest on the warm up. Then we're gonna do Revs and Flyby. But yeah, these are the two dingleberries right here. Yeah. Now we got my boy Jordan. Do this shit talking about. I know that bitch is loud. But that bitch was loud as fuck. Boy, I covered my ear, that bitch still was loud.
Well, you can see the flame too.
Man, your shit went further than 5, bro. That last one, that bitch said, what did you hear that shit, bro? Go ahead, Mike, bro. That shit smell like it's on fire.
Damn. That bitch shot a flame.
It did?
Yeah, that bitch shot a big ass flame. I don't know the camera caught it, but that bitch shot something, came out.
That was the first time I shit ever did that.
Yeah, Biggie, you don't do it enough. You gotta play with that bitch. Let's see what Mike talking about. That bitch loud as hell, boy. That bitch loud as hell. That bit loud, boy. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know which one the loudest. Mine is the pop. I meant to turn the tune off, but mine is the pop, bro. Which one y'all think the loudest out of these three? That bill, well, he did a big ass pop. Well, that bill loud as hell. I knew he was gonna do that jump, bro. But it's alright. I gotta show them the front. I ain't even show them the front of the whip. Well, yeah, man, something slight. You know what I'm saying? The best trio. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I put a new split on today. You know what I'm saying? I put a split on today, y'all, boy. Y'all see how we looking. My boy put his split on today. Yeah, and he got a splitter. Yes, sir. Splitter boys. Yes, sir. Splitter boys. Yes, sir, man. Well, yeah, now we're going to do the little flyby and then shit. That's about it. Yeah. That should be the fun part. But yeah. Who y'all think going to be the loudest on the flyby?
Shit. Flames in the flyby or no flames?
No flame. The Jeep? What the hell is that?
They said do it again.
Oh, she said do it again. Oh, her kid outside. Oh, she read that bit, Mike. Oh, cause yeah, she got her kid. Yeah, she want you to hit that bit. She right there. Yeah, go ahead. You can. That probably what they heard. They heard that loud ass pop. He finna do it. It don't matter. That shit still loud. But that bitch was loud though. I finna cover my ear. That bitch was loud as hell. But that be a big ass flame. Oh, that's somebody else talking now, but that was the other lady. They told you to do it.
Nah, lady told us to fuck off.
Bro, that bitch loud as fuck.
Damn.
Boy, that bitch had a big ass flame. Like 3 on. I guess he don't do it in neutral. He just do it in park.
Them boys just didn't call the police here.
Yeah, no. We finna get out that bitch. That last window. The last window. Hey, your neighbors over there to do it.
Yeah, his neighbors told us.
But yeah, we're gonna move all 3 of our cars closer up there. We're gonna do that bitch. So everybody gotta do all that damn walking. Yeah. I'm gonna turn the tune off first. Yeah.
They say, fuck off.
Cari crew. Woo. Hey man, we finna I'm gonna turn that tune off right quick. And we're gonna get, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get to it. Last year I got the green going, you know what I'm saying? Type beat.
5 minutes later.
We got my boy Nick, man. See what that bitch sound like? Bro, he got like a different tone to that bitch. Like, you see how mine sound versus his, bro? His sound like a... It sound like a cat, don't it? Like a newer, like... That bitch sound like a 2019 cat. His dumb ass couldn't turn all the way around. Well, yeah, boy, that bitch sound like a cat for real. He hit it brake hard as hell if you stop right there. I couldn't do mine like that to keep going. He tripping. He tripping. Yeah, fast. I just was holding gear so y'all can hear. When I came by, y'all packed the gas. Like, oh, yeah, I packed the gas through that bitch. He trying to manual shift that bitch. Damn, his DRL bright as hell. Bro, he capped, bro. His damn shit sound snappy.
They do.
Why he saying that they don't? All right, Mike, your turn. Yeah, man. We got My boy just went. I went, he went, and now we got him. Y'all let me know down in the comment, bro. Which one y'all think the loudest? Like, we can do different sections. Startup, Revs, minus the pops, and then, you know what I'm saying, Flyby. Y'all let me know which one y'all think. Y'all let me know which one y'all think, you know what I'm saying, the loudest, bro. But AJ jumped loud. He swear his car not loud, bro. His car super loud, bro. Like, and his downshift is aggressive. But we're gonna see though, Mike car is stupid loud though. Like, Mike junk goes stupid. Like, that bit insane car crew. Mike car is insane. But we're gonna see though. You know what I'm saying? That boy Mike over there in the cut. We're gonna see. Be loud, boy. No hit jump finna be stupid. We did hit jump just in time before it got dark for real. You finna launch that, man. That bit loud, boy. But yeah, car crew, man, y'all let me know, man. Oh, that bit loud too, now. That bit loud too, now. That's a little Dodge right there. Yeah, a little Dodge. But nah, that bit stupid loud, bro. He finna come back through. That bit loud, boy. Get off the phone, look at it. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, bro, we just trying to see, give y'all a little exhaust comparison. You know what I'm saying? Straight pipe, mid, and midless, catless mid, you know what I'm saying? Which one y'all think? Which one y'all favorite and which one y'all think was the loudest? Out of like certain, we're gonna do different contests from startup to Rev and then Flyby. Yeah, that bitch sound good, Playboy. Yeah, that bitch sound good, what? Yeah, man. Which one y'all favorite whip? I'm gonna give y'all boys a little walking around. You know what I'm saying? Front splitter. Yes, sir. But got a bunny rabbit. I was gonna call your car the rabbit. Yeah. The rabbit Jeep. Well, yeah, man. That gonna be a wrap, man. For today's video, man. You know what I'm saying? Something like, yeah, boy, a little something different. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banker from your boy. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Yeah, that pretty much gonna be it though. This Jeep so hard to me, bro. This Jeep so tough. You know what I'm saying? Baby track, you know what I mean? That's what's going on. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. And you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Like I say for all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the mix. Stay prayed up, stay blessed, you know what I'm saying? Stay humble out here in these streets, man. Stay safe or dangerous, whichever one you prefer. You feel me? But yeah, like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.